We'll start the session. We'll start the session now. So, once again, good morning to everyone. My name is Vaqar Khan, and I welcome to yet another session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. In this session, we'll take you through Nifty 50 chart placement, along with its probable opening, some key global news and events, along with how US markets and Asian markets fared, and then at the very end, the chart of the day for you. Without much ado, let's start with Nifty 50's analysis for the week. I've made some chart annotation in red for you. I mean, it encompasses of price action of Nifty on Monday and Tuesday. So Monday was a very strong day, led by the merger between HDFC Bank and HDFC, where Nifty rallied by more than 2% on volumes higher than Friday, which easily qualified as an additional follow-through day. On Tuesday, markets had a opening with a positive bias, but continued to trade lower through the entire day and closed marginally below the important level of 18,000. But as volumes on Tuesday was lower than that of Monday, we didn't mark Tuesday as a distribution day. So the current distribution day count still stands at 0. Going forward, you would like distribution day count to remain as low as possible for markets to stay in confirmed uptrend. Now let's talk about some major news. On the US front, Elon Musk joined the Twitter board of directors. On Monday, he had acquired 9% stake in the company. So when the richest man in the world acquired 9% stake in the company, the stock rallied around 27% on Monday. Later during the day, hawkish comments from FMC member Brennan spooks US markets. She said that in the unwinding of the balance sheet will happen at a more rapid pace. So the word rapid was the one that spooked the US markets. On the Indian front, RBI permitted Canara Bank to exercise its call options on Tier 2 bonds. Marico provided its Q4 update as well. So India revenue growth is low single digits. Gross margins remain unchanged from FY21 and raised prices of hair oil and edible oil in Q4 FY22. Catering to the EV buzz in the country, TVS Motors and GeoBP to explore creation of public EV charging station of 2 and 3 wheelers in the country. So on Tuesday, FIS remain net buying at rupees 37 crores and DI also remain net buyers at 105 crores. Crude oil hovered around 107 per barrel and USD/NR at 75.5. So taking cues from FOMC member Brennan, all the three indices US indices closed lower. I mean, Nasdaq being tech driven, got beaten the most. It declined by 2.3%, S&P 500 by 1.3%, and Dow Jones by 0.8%. In line with the US counterparts, Asian markets also are trading lower at the moment. So Kospi is trading lower by 0.9%, Nikkei by 1.9%, and Hang Seng by 1.8%. Similarly, for the Indian markets as well, the SGX Nifty is indicating a negative opening. So earlier during the day, SGX Nifty is trading around 17,863, around Nifty's close of slightly less than 18,000. So talking about the chart of the day for us is Bharat Electronics. So before discussing about the stock, I'd like to give a disclaimer that the stock discussed is for just educational purpose and not a buy or sell recommendation at the moment. So Bharat Electronics is into aerospace and defense electronics. So the government's push on Make in India as well as the defense production to reach 1.75 trillion in the country by FY21, which implies a CAGR of 20-25% from FY21 to 25. Similarly, exports of the defense production goods to also reach 350 billion rupees, which implies even a higher CAGR of 43%. Coming to the company provides has its end users with PSUs as well as with private defense manufacturers as well. The company has able to grow at a steady pace in double digits, both all its revenue, EBITDA, and PAT in the last few years. The company has a very strong order book of greater than 56,000 crores as of Q3 FY22, and the order inflows expected for Q4 and Q4 FY22 and Q1 FY23 is in the range of 7,000 crores, 7,000 to 7,000 crores combined. The company is highly R&D focused and would be spending 1,000 to 1,100 crores in the next couple of years. On the outlook given by the management, the management is guiding revenue growth of 15 to 17% for the next couple of years, with EBITDA margins of 20 to 22 in this next 2 years. For diversification purpose, the company wants to increase its non-defense portfolio from 10% at the moment to 25% going forward. So talking about it from the O'Neill perspective, like the fundamental story being good, the EPS strength currently is great at the moment, 92. Buyer demand at B+, which is really good. Group rank at 39, and the stock is forming a stage 3 consolidation base with increasing fund holding. The stock at the moment is 4% from the pivot. So the price strength is at 54 is lacking at the moment. So can see how the stock behaves when it reaches the pivot in the coming time, and will it be able to break through on volumes at the considerable volumes or not. Thank you, and hope you found this video informative, and stay tuned to this place for your daily market updates. And today the TraderSmith team will be conducting the Bazaar Pe Charcha as well. Stay tuned.